What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the little unboxing and review of the Shorty main extension pole. This is for the GoPro. As you can see right here, as you can see inside the box, it's compatible with from the GoPro 9, GoPro. It's basically all the GoPro models it's basically compatible with. As you can see right here, so unbox it, let you guys basically see what's inside. So inside guys, as you can see, this is the tripod, which is looking pretty neat. Inside right here we have some little warranty, lifetime warranty. So that's basically it coming inside this package. So guys, this is how it basically looks. We have the GoPro logo on it right there. We have the screw knob right here. You can basically tighten it on the GoPro. Also we can extend it out. So that's one section. Extend it out again, another section right here, and extend it again. So this is basically as far as it can go. And these right here is for the tripod. We can extend this out as well, as you can see, which is looking pretty neat. So I'm going to hook it up right now to my GoPro to show you guys basically how it's works. So as you can see guys, I have my GoPro right here. This is the GoPro 11 to be exact, as you can see. So we basically want to screw this thumb right here. Ensure to keep the screw safe. You don't want to lose it. Then you can put it this part right here, like so. Make sure that basically line up. Then what you want to do is to screw the knob right here inside. And this is basically how it's looking, really neat. So this is very useful exactly when you're going out shooting and you want to get those tripod settings. So you can basically open this like so, and you can put it on the flat surface. So whenever you want to get a shot of yourself hands-free, you don't want to have anyone holding the camera for you, you can put it on a tabletop or anything like that. You can also extend it out to get a more wider view or a more taller view. And it's worked pretty fine, and I find this very helpful with GoPro that they include this with it. And links for this guys is in the description if you want to check these out. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this very helpful.